The principle, as I mentioned, is basically based on traction. I mean, this woman extends her neck using it. These guys extend their lips. I have no idea why their lips need to be the size of a plate, but that's what they do in Africa and the Amazon tribes. Now, why did I do this study? I wanted the new data on a proposed novel treatment for patients with Peyronie's disease only because there's no viable option. I wanted the data on the necessity of using something like an extender in this specific patient population. I actually wanted data on the market. The biggest problem with Peyronie's disease is nobody knows what the existence is. And in fact, it's really odd because we've just, in the last few months, got FDA approval in the United States for Botox to be injected directly into the penis, but it is really expensive. One course of treatment will literally cost 65,000 Australian dollars, which I think is just totally impractical. But anyway, the company now wants to market the drug and it doesn't know what the incidence is, which is hilarious. So to establish any working or practical problems with the device when it's used continuously, and to actually have an insight into any problems or side effects. So that was the basis of the study. Now these are my results. So I used it in 3 categories: 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. All the 3 boys I had in 40 to 49 are actually people in India may think living the life because they're 3 stay-at-home dads. The wives actually earn much more than them, so they decided they stay at home and cook and bring up the kids, and their wives do the hard work. So I had 3 of them between 40 and 49. I had 50 to 59, I had 9 patients, and between 60 and 69 I had 8 patients. I'll try and go through this with you so you understand. LER4 was the length in the erect state at 6 months, minus LERO is the length in the erect state at the beginning of the treatment. There was an increase in the penile length of 3.1 centimeters, that's more than an inch, in 6 months. That's in that age group. If you take the 50 to 59 age group, there was 2.88 centimeters and it's 2.54 centimeters to an inch. It grew more than an inch even in that group. 60 to 69, it still grew an inch more in that group. Now LF is in the flaccid state, that means it's not rigid. And LFL0 is in the flaccid state at the beginning. There was an increase of 3.3, 2.84, 2.625, still more than an inch. People will ask me how come the flaccid state was more longer than in the erect state. That's only because with blood flow it became thicker, so I lost 0.2 centimeters in length. Those are the figures. I can't change it, but that's what it was, so I've reported what it is. And PER is the perimeter at 6 months compared to perimeter at the start. 5.97 centimeters is the circumference increase. That works to a diameter of 1.9 centimeters, and that's in the flaccid state 1.6. So these are the results.